There are not a lot of fragrance-free options when it comes to curly hair products, but Curlsmith just released some fragrance-free products that is part of their new Shine recipe. And we're gonna put these to the test in a first impression review to see if they really offer shine, if they're truly fragrance-free, and how they work in my hair. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Gina, and here we talk all things naturally curly hair. I love simplifying things for beginners, doing detailed product reviews, talking about ingredients, and much more. I wanted to thank Curlsmith for partnering with me for this video. They're a longtime partner of mine, and I love their products. I've honestly never tried anything from them that I didn't like. When I found out they were releasing a fragrance-free line, I was so excited because I get asked about fragrance-free products all the time, and honestly, I never had any recommendations. So now I'm excited that one of my favorite brands does have some fragrance-free options, because I know a lot of people don't like fragrance in their products. They might be sensitive to it, or they might get irritation from fragrance in their products. I get that feedback a lot from you all, so I'm so glad to have some options now to share that are fragrance-free. This line is also focused on providing shine to the hair, so that's really great. It's great for all hair types, and it's also very simple. So it's like a simple 4-step system, which I love. So let's get started with the wash day routine, and I will share with you my thoughts on the products as we go. So the first product I'm starting off with is the Curlsmith Fragrance-Free Shine Shampoo. This is your basic everyday shampoo that can be used on a regular basis. It helps remove product buildup without stripping the hair of its natural moisture. It's a really great shampoo if you struggle with your hair being dull, or if you have color-treated hair, it's going to be totally safe for that. It's also dermatologically tested, so it's suitable for even sensitive scalps because it is fragrance-free, and it's also great for all hair types. This Shine recipe contains hops, jasmine, and lemon peel to boost shine. I was looking into what hops extract can do for the scalp and hair, and it's actually a powerful antioxidant. It's anti-aging, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory, and it says that it can reduce hair fall, promote shine, and reduce itchiness of the scalp. So that's really interesting. I've never seen hops extract in hair products before, so it sounds like a really great ingredient. So I'm just massaging this all throughout my scalp. I'm also using my Curlsmith scalp massager just to help really work that shampoo down onto the scalp. I actually had products in my hair that did seem to cause a lot of buildup on my hair prior to washing, and this did a really great job at actually removing that. I was surprised because I thought I was going to need a clarifying shampoo, but even with just using this gentle everyday shampoo, it did a really great job at removing that product buildup that I had on my hair and on my scalp. Next up is the Curlsmith Fragrance-Free Shine Conditioner. This is a regular, lightweight, everyday rinse-out conditioner that boosts shine and makes hair feel soft and silky without weighing it down. This contains shea butter for lots of moisture, also maru butter, which is supposed to help increase moisture retention, help seal the cuticles, hydrate and soften the hair. It also has babasu oil, which is great for shine without being heavy and greasy. And then it also has the hops, jasmine, and lemon peel like the rest of the Shine recipe. And a fun fact, lemon peel actually can really help lower the cuticle and help smooth the cuticle by rebalancing the pH of your hair. So lemon is acidic, our hair is naturally acidic, and when we shampoo our hair, it actually increases the pH, and it needs to be lowered back down to improve that softness and to just help seal the cuticle back. So that lemon peel is going to help restore the shine and softness of the hair. So I did not find the conditioner to be heavy or anything like that. It was actually the perfect amount of moisture for my high porosity hair. It had a lot of slip too, so I found it very easy to detangle with. And here's a little tip if you struggle with your hair kind of sticking to your head or any wet frizz and tangles after you wash your hair. Just take your hands and run your hands through your hair to help break up those clumps that might have formed and help lift the hair up off the scalp. And then when you wring it out, scrunch it versus like wringing the hair out. This has really helped me reduce wet frizz by just squeezing out the excess water as I'm scrunching instead of wringing it out. And then I just wrap it up in my hair repair towel. That way I can then start styling. So now it's time for the styling portion. I'm first taking my hair down out of the hair repair towel and spritzing mainly the lengths with some water. As you all know, I like to damp style my hair, which is just where my roots are towel dried and then the lengths of my hair are wet, but they're not soaking and dripping wet. And this really helps cut down on the dry time, gives me more fullness and volume because I do have low density thin hair. So the first styling product I'm going to use is the Shine Cream. This is a lightweight leave-in conditioner that enhances curl texture, is moisturizing, and helps make your hair feel silky, soft, smooth, and shiny. So this is a little confusing on whether if this is a leave-in conditioner or a curl cream. It's labeled as a leave-in conditioner, but it does say that it helps enhance curl texture. So to me, that helps with the appearance of the hair. So it sounds a little bit like a styling cream. It's definitely a thick cream. So this does feel like a curl cream to me versus a super lightweight leave-in, but it was lightweight. I don't think this would weigh down your hair. If you had very fine hair, I would just use a little bit. And I'm also combing this product through. Just look at that shine. I can already see the shine on my hair, which is amazing for my high porosity hair. This cream contains very similar ingredients to the conditioner, so it has babassu oil. It also has jojoba and castor oil, which helps seal in moisture and smooth the hair cuticle. It has murumu butter and shea butter, and then that same hops, jasmine, and lemon peel. So then I'm just sectioning off my hair so I can more easily apply the gel, because this gel is actually very thick, so it helps to apply in sections. This is the Fragrance-Free Shine Gel. This is a stronghold styling gel that provides a long-lasting definition, humidity protection, frizz control, and of course shine, just like the rest of this recipe. So they do have the other option for the gel, which is a medium hold gel, and that's definitely a little bit more liquidy. But this gel is their level 9 stronghold gel, and it definitely gives extreme definition. This is also a humidity protection gel, so it does contain that polyquaternium to help protect against humidity, which is one of my favorite ingredients because I do live in a humid area, and that really just helps keep my curls frizz-free in all kinds of weather. So because it is thick, I do like to mix it with a little bit of water just to help more easily apply this to my hair. I do the same thing with the in-shower style fixer. This gel though seems to have less oils in it compared to the in-shower style fixer. That one is a little bit more of a cloudy looking gel, whereas this one is a clear gel, and you can even see some of those little air bubbles in it. So this is definitely a long-lasting gel. I actually am going to be checking in on my Instagram every day throughout this week after this video goes live. So if you want to follow me over there, I will be sharing how long this lasts in my hair, and I was definitely shocked with the results. So I'm just applying this in sections. This method really helped to give me lots of good curl definition because I was able to fully coat every single strand, which is key for preventing frizz. And I'm also using my Tangle Teaser brush to help direct the hair up and away from my face, and also just help give me more separated curl clumps, which is the way that I like to style my hair. So then I'm just applying a little bit more mixed with some water on my hands just so I have some product on my hair as I'm scrunching. I'm just going around and scrunching my whole head. And then I'm going to be microplopping, which is just where you take your hair towel or a t-shirt and you scrunch your hair with that to help absorb any excess water. This really helps cut down on the dry time, and if you apply too much product, it can also help absorb some of that. If you are worried about getting frizz, or if you do notice frizz after this, just take a little bit more gel and glaze over any frizzy areas. So I did get a little bit in some areas, so I just applied a little bit more gel mixed with water and just kind of glazed that over to avoid breaking up the curl clumps. And here's how my hair looks now that it's fully styled and I'm ready to go and diffuse with my Shark Hyper Air. So now that my hair is fully dry, I'm just flipping it over and then lifting the hair off the roots and fluffing to get more volume. This really helps to break up the gel cast. I'm also scrunching out some of that cast, and I didn't use any oil on my hands this time because I wanted to see truly how shiny these products were, but you could use an oil to help scrunch out the crunch. And I'm honestly shocked at the amount of volume that I have. I have so much volume in my hair, which is crazy for using a stronghold gel that gives lots of definition, because normally with these stronghold gels, I don't get as much volume. So here I'm just checking out the shine to see how much shine that I have. It definitely looks very shiny and nice. Love the definition, love the curl clumps. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite gels. I'm really impressed with this, and the amount of shine that I'm noticing here, when you can see how the light reflects on it, it's definitely a lot shinier than other gels that I've tried before, so love that. So my final thoughts on this line, I think it is going to be great for all hair types. I didn't even notice that they were fragrance free. Like, it didn't bother me. They didn't have like a weird smell or anything like that. It just had no smell at all, which was really nice. I actually really enjoyed them. I also liked how it not only provided a lot of shine in my hair, but it helped with the feeling in my hair. So because my hair has some coarse areas, it's actually medium to coarse, which I know might be surprising because it is low density, so you might have guessed that I had fine hair, but I actually don't. I have some very coarse areas in my hair, and those can feel very brittle to the touch, and I really struggle with tangles and getting those like single strand knots. So I often look for products that help with slip and just help improve the feeling of my hair, help with manageability and slip and reducing tangles while I'm styling. And I noticed that a lot with these products. They were very smoothing. They helped to really soften the hair and smooth the cuticle, which I think would be a really great option if you have coarse hair or graying hair. So that is one of the biggest things that I noticed that was different with these products, is the amount of slip and softness that they provide in the hair while still giving it some texture for volume, which was really nice. And although I do have like some texture to my hair giving me a lot of volume, it doesn't feel like producty or anything like that. It doesn't feel weighed down or sticky or anything. It still feels very soft and nice. So I'm really interested to see how these products hold up on next day hair. So I will definitely record some clips that I will share over on Instagram if you want to see how my hair looks on day 2 and day 3. I love doing little check-ins over there, so we'll definitely record some of those. That way I can share those with you and you can see how my hair looks throughout the week. So I will link you to the Curlsmith products in the description box below the video. I also have a 10% off discount code if you're interested. If you have never ordered from Curlsmith and you're a new customer, you can save 10% on your products. Let me know in the comments if you are somebody who doesn't like fragrance in your products or someone who doesn't mind it. And if you like this video, I definitely think you should check out the one that I did recently, all about the common causes of dull hair and how to fix it. There are lots of common causes of your hair looking more dull, everything from your hair type to having buildup on your hair to the products that you use. So head over to that video to learn more about how to fix dull hair and get shinier curls. So that's it for today. I will talk to you in next week's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Bye everyone.